Good morning, everyone. I am at the 99-cent store today, and I wanted to show you guys my new beautiful small coffee maker. I just got my coffee maker, and I got this beautiful big giant jug. 64 ounces is how much I need to drink in a day. And I got this huge Jackery. Isn't this awesome, you guys? I love this new Jackery. So my little one was super tiny. It was half the size of this one, like literally this tiny. And this one's, you know, it's heavier, but it does so much more. Excuse me. Anyways, I want to show you guys how this little coffee maker works with the Jackery. And this is exactly why I got a Jackery, is because it can run this now. I will be getting a new little cooker that doesn't need propane or butane, so that's going to be really nice too, just to be all electric on here. So let me show you how this works. I'm just gonna turn on the Jackery, and I already put my teapot in there and water. So now I'm just gonna start it up on the side. You can hear the Jackery running right now. It's drawing its power. Cleaned up for you guys. And let me show you my little guest who's here. Oh, my little guest is probably freezing. I need to put this a little bit somewhere else here. Close that up for her. So I've changed things around again. Obviously, my seats are not in the stow and go area. I like to have this area right here to sit. Excuse the stains. I think you guys know that I bought this used, and I've already washed it, I don't know, about 4 times. This is not from me. Little kids had this van, and apparently they let their kids do whatever. But it has been washed quite a few times. I used stuff on this and it hasn't come off. The artwork, oh well. They were pretty good little artists though. So let's see, it's blinking still. So once the light stops blinking, then it's ready to go. And when it's done, I'm just going to put the tea inside my little thermos, so I have some iced tea. I'm going to run through a drive-thru and get myself something to eat. I usually ask them for a cup of ice. This is really nice to have the Jackery, you guys. Really nice. And no, they don't pay me to say anything. I'm just looked at so many videos and I'm so happy with it. So there it goes. It's really tiny. I mean, really tiny. I will show you right now. Compared to my hand. It's really small, really convenient. It's not expensive. Believe me, I thought about getting a Keurig, but yeah, it's really unnecessary. This works excellent. It's like something you would see in the hotel, a little small one. But it's so convenient and it fits perfect on my little kitchen. I'm loving my setup here in my house. And the Jackery, I just have it up here just so you guys can see it. It's usually down below with my bathroom stuff and all my crazy stuff down there. I have my crafts out because I'm going to be doing some crafts today. Anyways, it smells so good in here, like tea. Smells so good. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And give me your thoughts on what you guys think about my new setup. I am really personally really happy with it. Turn the Jackery off. I have to turn that off. And I think this is off automatically. When it's done, it turns off. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys. Boy, someone's a sleepyhead today. Hello, are you gonna wake up today? You want coffee? I'm just kidding. She doesn't drink coffee. She's such an old girl. I don't take her very often with me. She stays with my daughter in the big house, but once in a while I like to bring her. And she really wanted to come with me today, so I have a lot more time on my hands since my little girl is graduated from high school. You guys have been through it all with me. I was taking her back and forth forever. Believe it or not, she just got her license, so very excited about that. So she is now driving herself back and forth to work. I'm really proud of her. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I am going to drink my coffee that I made and put my tea and ice. Get myself something. I love you guys.